welcome to the Caretech troubleshooting videos. Today we're going to look at the Oxford Major 190. A few simple checks that you can make on the Oxford Major 190 before you need to call for an engineer would be, firstly, is the battery in good order? Is the battery charged? You can put the hoist back onto charge, or if the battery charges independently, take the battery off and put it on its desktop charger. If you know that the battery is good but you still have problems with the hoist, you would need then to look to see if the emergency stop button has been pressed in. This simply twists to unlock in the direction of the arrows on the button. If you still have a problem with the hoist at that stage, we would then ask you to look underneath the control box just to make sure that all the cables are still pressed firmly into the bottom of the control box. If you have a problem at that point, then that is the time to call in an engineer. If the hoist fails on you mid-flow, halfway through a transfer, you have two options for the emergency lower. One is the electrical emergency lower, which is a small little button just on the control box. You can use a pen tip or something similar just to lower the device. If that fails, you also have a mechanical emergency lower, which is this red collar at the bottom of the actuator, and just by raising the red collar, the weight of the patient will lower the hoist. That basically covers our troubleshooting guide for the Oxford Major 190. Thank you for listening.